I'm Paula from Tonic Studios, and today I'm introducing the beautiful new Nuvo Mica Mist. They come in 6 beautiful colors. You have got the Turkish rose, the violet lustre, the nebula blue, the fresh pear, the antique gold, and the silver smoke. They come in these large bottles that are 80 ml or 2.7 liquid ounces. To activate them, just shake them well, because of course they have got mica inside them as well as pigment color. So you want to hear the ball shaking and then just spray over your paper. Use a glass mat from Tonic to protect your surface, or scrap paper, but obviously the glass mat is easier to clean. You can create easy backgrounds like so, or you can even mix different colors. So now I'm going to go for Turkish rose. You can let them dry between layers, or you can put them while they're wet. Depending on the height distance from the paper, you will get a softer effect or a more, stronger blurt of color. You can then heat dry it to accelerate the process, or let it dry on its own. Every time will be completely different. If you want to have drip color, just lift it while still there is pools of color, and lift it like so to create those drippings of colors that's so beautiful and so unique, and every time completely different. To clean it up in the glass mat, just use a kitchen paper towel, and to clean it completely, just use water as well, just to, if some has dried, and you have got again a clean surface. Here's one that I had done earlier, and it has dried, and you can see the beautiful mica shimmer coming through, as well as the pigment from the Turkish rose and the violet lustre. These backgrounds are great, so then you can put die cuts in on the top, and the shimmer will come through and create quick and easy, beautiful backgrounds with shimmer on them. The other thing that you can do with the backgrounds is put a stencil through them, and then just spray through them to create the background. And because of the pigment, it will sit on top and create contrast and layer those colors perfectly. One of my favorite techniques with the Mica Mist is to stamp and emboss with either clear embossing powder or white embossing powder, so you cannot really see the design but then at the minute, but then once I use the mica sprays in there, you will suddenly resist the design. So I'm going to go with the nebula blue and a little bit of the pear. That I love that fresh combination, and you can start seeing a beautiful pattern coming through. And I'm going to go now with gold, the antique gold, which actually on the bottle looks quite dark, but then it's a beautiful golden color. Now, because it's heat embossed, you should really let it dry completely rather than heat set it. So now you can see how it has dried and the colors has intensified, as well as the relief of the design, stamp and emboss showing through much more. One of the beautiful things about the Mica Mist is that you can use black card and it will have a different effect on it. Now I'm going to use the pear color, and you can see because it's pigment, color pigment, it will show through the gorgeous black card embossed. And you can see the reflection in there. You can see now when that has dried how much shimmer and color it has got, even on a completely black card. Another cool little way of using the Mica Mist is to color your own ribbon. So for instance, I got a white ribbon here, and I'm going to use, I want to make a matching mica shiny ribbon using the Turkish rose. So again, just remember to shake it well every single time and then just spray it a few times. Now because I'm using the glass mat, a few sprays will be enough, because I will just pick it up and just create colorize as well as have that beautiful shimmer through it. And then I have got now my completely perfectly matching ribbon to go with my cards. You can use the mica mist to color in elements of your stamped images. So I'm gonna use my glass mat to spray some ink in there and then just pick it up and just pick a little bit of the color. And I have got a mix of here. Now if you want to, you can use a dry brush, and that would mean that it would make more intense color. By using a water brush, it sort of starts stronger and then kind of dilutes the color as the pigment and mica of the mica mist kind of is used on the paper. Now I have got here these flowers already colored in with the aqua flows, so but I can go in and add little details of the Turkish rose to add, so it will blend in a little bit of the colors in there. And there you have it, quickly and easily, with a beautiful soft Turkish rose all over with the sparkle as well. These are a few of the techniques that you can use with the fabulous new Nuvo Mica Mist. Available now from Hochanda.